Hello everyone, I'm Hollis. Today I will introduce the application and the drawing of the package. Before we drawing the package, here is a key point we need to pay attention to. You see, the package position should be drawn above the ending row. Now let's see the PowerPoint. This is the package structure. Fill the package code. Generally, the package code from 120 to 183. Leave 2 empty rows. The middle part is definition knitting action. Leave another 2 empty rows. This row is package attributes. The middle row is package cycling direction. The last row is height deviation. The right side is we can set knitting parameters on the function line 201. The third line is model mark scope. The fourth line is page. The fifth line is leftward and rightward deviation during cycling. The sixth line I will introduce for you later. Then let's see the basic package pattern. Generally, the basic package including 4 parts. The first part is the package code. The second part is the knitting action. The third part is package attribute. The fourth part is the mark scope. Then let's check the knitting action. You see the first step, front needle transfer to back needle, then left side narrowing 3 needles, right side also narrowing 3 needles. Then let's check the expanding result. You see, the package code was replaced by the knitting action. Click it again. Whether to replay package status, yes. After learning the basic package, let's know about the including and the equal. Fill the package mark scope in the third line of the function line 201. The mark scope area stands for the starting point and the ending point of the package. Then, as the below pattern shows, let's say the first package, the third line, we select the equal. When we select the equal, the 2 package codes must be used in one row, like this. Check expanding result. Now you can see the expanding result is correct. If here we only use 1 package code. Let's check again. Now you see here is wrong alarm. Let's see the second package. The third line, we select the including. When we select the including mark scope, it not only supports one row use 1 package. You see, this row we use 122 package code. Another row we use 123 package code. But also it supports one row use 2 package codes. Now you can find the expanding result is correct. After learning the including and the equal, let's know about the package attributes. The value less than 100 indicates an ordinary package. Generally, we use number 1 code indicate. The value more than 100 but less than 200. Generally, we use number 101 code indicates a jacquard package, as the below pattern shows. Now you can see the first package is the ordinary package. The second package is a jacquard package. So what's the difference with the two packages? Now you see, this is the first package. Here is the second package. We check the expanding result. Circle the two rows. You can find the first needle is front tuck, back tuck, front tuck, back tuck. In this row, the first needle also is front tuck, back tuck, front tuck, back tuck. So we can find the second regular is from the first needle of each row. Then we check right side expanding result. The first needle is front tuck, back tuck, front tuck, back tuck, back tuck, front tuck, back tuck, front tuck. So we can find right side expanding result regular from the first needle beginning. The last two rows same regular with the first two rows. So this is a difference between the ordinary package and the different jacquard package. After learning the package attributes, let's know about the package cycling direction. The one value from left to right cycle, the two value from right to left cycle. Then let's say as the below pattern shows. Now you can find the middle part. We use one value. The one value indicates the cycling direction from left to right. The second package in the middle two needles, we can find we use two value. It indicates the cycling direction from right to left. Check the expanding result. You can find the first package expanding result is front knit, back knit, front knit, back knit, front knit. Then let's check second package result from right to left, back knit, front knit, back knit, front knit, back knit. For the next, let's learning the pages. One page in the package stands for one independent action. Fill the page number in the fourth line of the function line 201. Then let's check the below pattern. Now you can see in the first line we can set the page. The number 1 page indicates front knit. Number 2 page indicates back knit. Then we draw the package in the pattern. You can find here we no set package. The last part we set first page. The middle part we set first page and second page. Check the expanding result. You can find the two package expanding result same. The last package only carried out front knit. So the expanding result tells us if the package we set page and in the pattern we no set page, the system will automatically divide it into page. If we set the page on the function line 201, it will according to the filled page. After learning the pages, let's know about the horizontal and vertical movement. Horizontal and vertical movement are together used in general. As the below pattern shows. Let's say the first package. Circle these two rows. Click 6th line of the function line 201. Find the set horizontal. Select 12. Follow the narrow direction. It refers to the two needles will from right side to left side move two needles. Fill 12 value. Here we fill number 2 code. It indicates the two rows will from down to up movement 2 rows. So the expanding result will like this. Let's check the expanding result. You see. The second package, same narrowing way, just vertical movement direction different, you see. For the next, let's know about the deviation. Deviation is applied together with the circling direction in general, and the shift needle's leftward or rightward deviation according to the definition of the package. As the below pattern shows. Now you can see here we need narrowing 3 needles. Then let's check the first package. You see, here we only narrowing 1 needles. So the second time we need narrowing 2 needles. But you can find the narrowing needle in same needle. For in this case, we can select the 6th line of the function 201 and select 1 needle, fill 1 needle in 2 rows. So the expanding result will like this. Then let's check the expanding result. Now you can see the expanding result is correct. Let's check the second package. You can find the first time narrowing 2 needles, then narrowing 1 needles. So the 6th line, we need to select shift 2 needle, you see. And the cycling direction is different. For the next, let's learn the local knitting. Add the 254 code in this position to mark local knitting. As the below pattern shows. We can add 254 code in this position and in this position. When the code is added on the left, the pattern will be expanded towards the upright direction. You see, if we put the code in this position, the expanding will towards this direction. You see this part. When the code is added on the right, the pattern will be expanded towards the upper left direction. You see, when the code will input in this position, the expanding result will like this. Generally, the first page is used for the knitting row from left to right, while the second page is used for the knitting row from right to left. Click yarn feeder direction. You can see the knitting row from left to right. This row also from left to right. The second page, the knitting row from right to left. This row also from right to left. It only supports one code definition package. You see here only one package code. For the next step, let's learn the function line parameters. Except for the takedown comb, the function line parameters in package will be applied during expanding. In case of no parameters in package, after expanding, it will use the original parameters. As the below pattern shows. Now you can see the first package. Here we already set yarn carrier and set the density parameters. Then let's check the second package. Here we no set yarn carrier and no set knitting parameters. Then let's check the expanding result. You see the first package uses number 5 yarn carrier for knitting, and the density will use number 10 segment. You see another knitting parameter use same segment. But the second package uses number 3 yarn carrier for knitting, and use number 7 segment density. So the expanding result tells us if we no set yarn carrier and set knitting parameters, the system will use system parameters and system yarn carrier for knitting. For the next, let's learn the package nesting. Support 5 packages nesting at most. As the below pattern shows, the first package is a basic package. The second package is insert package. You can find the first package was inserted in second package. Now you see the mark scope same, the package attribute same. Then let's check the expanding process. The first expanding result is carried out 1 to 1 package expanding. The second expanding result is carried out 1 to 3 package expanding. Then let's check the expanding result. You see. For the next, let's learn the forced knitting direction. Select in the third line of function line 214. One value indicate a right word, two value indicate left word. As the below pattern shows, click function line 214 and click third line. Find the fourth the knitting direction. One value indicates the knitting row from left to right. The two value indicates the knitting row from right to left. Fill the value in the third line, you see. Check the expanding result. Click yarn feeder direction. You see, when the first row knitting finish, then continue back knitting, front knit, then knitting this row. After learning the fourth knitting direction, then we know about the compressed empty rows. If there is empty rows in knitting action, the system can automatically carry out compression. As the below pattern shows, let's check the package. You can find 121 and 122 package. The middle part has 3 empty rows. 123 package middle part has 1 empty rows. If we only use 121, 122, 123 package, then let's check the expanding result. The first expanding result here has 3 empty rows. The second expanding result, the system automatically delete the empty rows. If we only use 122 package code, the expanding result same with 121 package expanding result. If 121, 123, 124 package together use, the first expanding result like this, the second expanding result like this. Then let's check the expanding result. You see, after learning the compressed empty rows, then let's know about the forced transfer direction. It refers to smoothly pressed float yarns, making the float yarn can get into the knitting area. Select in the third line of function line 214. One value indicate right word, two value indicate left word. Also use the pattern as an example. Select the function line 214 and find the forced transfer direction. One value indicate the transfer direction from left to right. The two value indicate a transfer direction from right to left according to your required and set the transfer direction. Generally, the forced transfer direction used for making knitting vamp. For the next, let's learn the intelligent package expanding. Use 210 and 220 code according to the organization of the first row of the package to pick up the left or right direction. As the below pattern shows, let's say the first package, here we fill 210 code. The second package, here we use 220 code. Check the pattern. Then we check the first package expanding process. The first time like this, follow the narrowing direction, it will pick up left code. The final expanding result like this. Another package expanding process, same. Just pick up different. You see here, follow the narrowing direction, it will pick up right code. The final expanding result like this. Then we check the expanding result. You see. For the next, let's learn the package priority. Package priority class is 1 to 10. When priority is not filled, the default priority is the minimum level, class 10. As the last one, pattern shows. This is the first package. Then let's check the second package and the third package. You see the second package here we no set class priority. It indicates the class priority is 10. Then let's check 1 to 4 package. You see here we fill the first class priority. It tells us the expanding result will firstly carry out 1 to 4 package. You see this row we use 1 to 1 package. This row we use 1 to 4 package. Then let's check the two rows expanding process. Here is 1 to 1 package expanding process. You see this is the second expanding result. Now you can find the expanding result is wrong. Then let's check 1 to 4 package expanding result. The first time you see follow the narrowing direction, it will pick up left side package. You can find this is the final expanding result. You see this expanding result is right. Then let's check the expanding result. You see this result is we want result. This is wrong. So far, today's course is over. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye everyone.